now we need to connect them over here. Oh, stop, wait.
So
I need to bring it back. Actually, every time our sprite is touched by the crabs, it's need to get some damage and to remove hearts. Yes, to lose heart is mean to change the color of the heart from red to white. How we'll do that? We will start first with the if block, and it will say touch, but we will change my mouse pointer to what, Sophia?
Crab.
Crab. Okay. When sprite touching the crab,
then switch costume to Ro-Byte damage.
Okay. Click and drag this one, and we will say lose 1 health points or change health points to minus 1. Okay, very good. And wait for 1 second. Now since we have 3 different crabs, we need to duplicate this one. Right click and duplicate. Let's connect them. And what we need to do now, duplicate one more
time.
Good.
And then we just fix touching crab to touching crab 2 and touching crab 3.
I changed this one, and now we need to connect them over here. Oh, stop, wait.
So
I need to bring it back. Actually deleted, so right click and undo to bring it back. Good. And we need to connect them to the main part of the code. I will click and drag. Perfect. Very good. All together. Zoom out a little bit. Now quickly let's test. We can see when the crab touching us, the hearts are changing the color to the white, and we're losing the points.
Is damaging.
Very good. I add this new sprite that we called game over. We want to say when we lose all 5 hearts, all 5 health points, we want game to stop and to show us this game over sprite and to stop the game. So we add new sprite over here. We will change the size to 70. Let's put it in the middle. What we'll do now, Sophie? Hide this one.
And then later on we want it to show.
Exactly. Now the best way for this one is to use broadcast messages. So we will say when I receive message 1, I will, instead of hide, I will use show. Now who will see this message for the broadcasting? Our Ro-Byte. Very good. Click and drag.
When clicked, forever, if then,
and we will go, we will prepare here the health points. If the health points are less than 1, okay, what we will say, hide small Ro-Byte, and we want to go in the broadcasting messages over here. Broadcast message. We will just change this message 1, click to new message. Call it how?
Game over.
Okay, game over. Game over. Okay. And we need to change also here broadcast message to, instead of message 1, to game over. This is perfect. We had a problem before that sprites is still moving around although it's a game over. I just want to make sure that even we press the arrow keys, the game will stop and we cannot move our sprite. So we will go over here.
And when the game over sprite appears, that Ro-Byte couldn't move.
Exactly. So we will say if the health point is less than 1, what we will say, go here and stop all. We will repeat this one, duplicate, right click, duplicate for all our arrow keys.
So we can test it now.
Okay, we can see that when we are moving with the arrow keys, it's moving around and it's taking the damage. And we can see at the end, when we lose all the health points, it's a game over. And now if we press the arrow keys, nothing happened and it's not working. This is it for this video. Bye bye.